station after next landing a320, line and wait, fire Alpha 105 left, shuttle 3, Romeo, good morning.
That's 4 Whiskey Uniform contact, Scottish Control, non-standard 133.8, goodbye.
Scottish from 133.8, left hand 4 Whiskey Uniform, good day.
1 Sierra departure, school 0361, there's no delay.
2548.
2548, size, good morning, hold and turn at Alpha 1, your departure frequency well instructed will be 133.8.
Hold Alpha 1 and departure frequency 1338, looking at 254. Delta Kilo, fully ready on stand 18.
Julian 4 down to Kilo, Roger, stand by, start me about 5 minutes, bit of a queue down on the holding point, you're number 2 to start.
We'll listen to Julian 4 Delta Kilo, hold on a
712 Hotel, thank you Foxtrot, would help me, and once you've vacated, contact ground 121.850.
Okay, vacation of Foxtrot and then 121.850, 712 Hotel, mate.
Thanks a lot.
Easy 712 Hotel, vacating Foxtrot.
Easy 712 Hotel, hello, left turn onto Kilo and then Delta and Lima, park on stand 4.
Left turn onto Kilo, Delta, Lima, parking stand 4, it's 712 Hotel.
Casual 2624, contact 118.625, bye-bye.
11865, Casual 264.